باص شو مكسر. انت حكيتي انجلش بس. يا هلا وعليكم السلام. استأذنكم تقعدوا على الطرف الثاني. استأذنكم تقعدوا. هلا وعليكم السلام. يا هلا تفضلي حبيبتي. خلاص يا في حدا لسه بده يفوت؟
To how to capture workshops and meetings through
harvesting.
visual harvesting. That will, which will be presented by Hanadi Ali and Shahida Hili from KHDA.
Thank you, Ahmed. So, good morning, everybody. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Correcting for the names, I am Hanadi and my colleague is Shadia. We are from KHDA and we will discover with you. Thank you. Okay. We'll discover with you today the visual harvesting. So we will discover together what is the visual harvesting by answering the three very important questions. What is the visual harvesting? Why do we use visual harvesting? And then we will have a training for 10 minutes. We have two groups of training. I'm going to train this group and Shadia will train the another group on answering the third important question, how we are going to use the visual harvesting. After the first 10 minutes, we will switch and this group will go to Shadia's place and the another group will come to my place and you will take the another part of the training. After finishing the training, you will have a 5 minutes practicing. We will give you a video for 5 minutes and you will start practicing what you have learned in these trainings on harvesting your first visual harvesting. After that, we will have like a small discussion how you are going to use this visual harvesting at your schools. Okay? So, visual harvesting.
It could be something. Maybe a presentation, a workshop. You graphically represent it.
Yeah, graphical presenting. Okay, what else?
Capturing ideas by way of
Capturing
images.
ideas by?
Way of images.
Yeah, by images. Very excellent. Who else?
Like summarizing.
This will be visual representations of abstract ideas that are being
Yeah, visual representation for ideas. Yes.
I think it's like summarizing, briefing.
Summarizing. Excellent. Actually, you have a very good, excellent idea about what is visual harvesting. So, and if you would like to search on the internet, you can find alternative words for visual harvesting like sketch notes. These things are equal. So, why do you think we should use visual harvesting? In another way, why you are here? So, what if you have visual learners?
things are better learned through seeing.
So it is a better way for them to learn. Okay, what else?
As you have summarized what is happening in the class or meeting, so they can always go back to it and they can revisit the ideas, change it, and there is always in visual harvesting you have space to include more ideas in it. Yeah, so you can always go back to it and summarize and see.
So it is easier for summarizing and remembering. Okay, excellent.
Differentiation for children. Some children use this way in order to express themselves instead of actually writing.
So it is an interesting way. Okay, excellent. What else? But we have many ways are interesting and
Children love to draw.
Yeah, so when they love to draw, will be easier for them to understand. It will be easier for you to communicate the idea, right? So it is better and faster communication. Whenever you see, it is faster than whenever you hear. Three things: icons, fonts, and shadows. With Shadia, when you are going to go there, you will learn how to draw people and emotions. So first of all, who knows how to draw? Are you all of you excellent at drawing?
Me.
Oops. That's mean you can do visual harvesting, okay? Why? Because you shouldn't be excellent at drawing in visual harvesting. Okay. What the main shapes we have? You remember in our childhood?
Circles, rectangles.
Yeah, circle, square. The note in front of you, it is yours. Okay. So can you draw for me a car? Car. Simple car, safety car. Can I use it to go home? So each one, please draw a car, a big car, so I can see it from here. Okay. By using these basic shapes.
And you have your black pen on it, so you can just practice.
Excellent. So, can you raise your notebook so I can see your car?
To be so big.
Yeah. Show them. Yes. Excellent. So, as you see, excellent. As you see, you should be excellent at drawing. You just draw these three things, and this is a car, right? So, as you see, drawing, you shouldn't be perfect at drawing. You should draw in visual harvesting as you draw for your 2 years or 1 year's child. Now, let's see what the rules for drawing icons. So we have rules for drawing icons. The first rule, for example, let's draw a table. So how can I draw a table? Right? So the first rule said the icon should be bold. So this is wrong. When you draw a table, it should be bold. So the first one, it should be bold. The second one, it should be simple. So when you are going to draw a table, I'm not going to draw, okay, I wanted to make it as simple as you can. And remember, you are drawing for your 2 years old child, so it is simple. The third thing, the third rule, it should be closed. So if I'm going to draw a table, I cannot draw it like this. It should be a closed shape. Okay?
Can you say the last one again, please?
It should be closed. So, for example, if I'm going to draw a flower, I cannot draw it like this. It should be closed. The shape, it should be closed. Each one of you, I would like you to use these 4 rules and draw for me on your notebook, let's say, mobile. Yeah, mobile.
Can we copy from our mobile?
It doesn't matter, it is Samsung, BlackBerry, iPhone, it doesn't matter. I want a mobile, I can talk with it. Okay, excellent. Can I see your mobiles? Excellent. Excellent. Fantastic. Can you tell me why you are here? You are fantastic in drawing. Yeah, excellent. So let's draw the mobile so I can draw it easier. Okay, this is a mobile. And this is, I shouldn't draw the 9 numbers. Okay, and this is for the antenna. If you see this mobile, what can you give me like alternative word? What you can think about when you see a mobile?
Wi-Fi.
Communication.
Communication. Okay, it can be communication. What else?
Interaction.
Interaction. Okay.
Social.
Social. Information.
communication.
It's now in the mobile with the smartphone. Yes, it's
Good, I got a mail.
Yeah. But this is doesn't tell me that I have internet on it. Yeah. It reminds me with the first mobile it was invited. Yeah.
To communication.
Songs. Okay? And use it with the
Entertainment.
hands and the legs.
Okay, it can be connecting. Okay, it can be. So, for example, if I was talking about communication, okay, and you would like to harvest what I am talking, how you are going to draw the communication? The word communication, you cannot draw it, but you can draw a symbol, give you the same meaning of communication. So you can draw mobile, you can draw,
Cables and telephone.
yeah, you can draw a disk phone, however, okay? So the third one, can you please draw for me a key? Yeah, excellent. Can you show me your key? Excellent.
Good at drawing.
Yeah, very excellent. And the easiest key is, this is a key, right? Okay. When you see a key, what can you think about?
Doors.
Answers. Video. I am talking about the video, how to create a video, and the video industry. So draw for me a video.
You know, the machine, the video.
So think, how can you present the video? So let's say this workshop, how to create a film, cartoon,
So a YouTube,
video.
you mean
Hi, baby. What's the matter? Why are you laughing today?
So anybody? Okay. Where is it? Yeah, excellent. She drew on a camera. Okay. The tape. Yeah, it can be. Okay, let's draw the video cam.
So this is the way of drawing individuals. The last thing,
As simple as, right?
man is
Okay. This about the icons. Now, whenever you draw an icon, it is will give you more power for your icon to draw the shadow. For example, let's draw this shape. So, what shadows you can draw for it? So even you can draw like lines, or you can, right? Or you can, or you can create your own shadow, your own style. You have only one rule for the shadows. Imagine you have one source of the light, and of course all the shadows in your harvesting should be from one side. Let's say that you have in your, this is your visual harvesting, and you have these shapes in your visual harvesting. So this shadow should be from here, this from this side, this from this side. So all of them from one side. You cannot draw one from the left and one of the right. No. This is the only one rule for the shadows. Now, let's go to the last part. Can you write your name on your notebook, please? Big handwriting, okay, and show it to me. Write your name.
How to draw your thing.
Yeah, I can draw my name.
Very nice. Very nice. Nice. Can I see your name? Yeah. Can you show them your name, please? What can you see in his writing for his name?
Can you please show
The E, how he have done.
No, actually, I was supposing that all of you will do the same, but you didn't. So, yeah, can I see your name also, please? Can you show them your name? Yeah, show them your name. So, what is the common thing between her name and his name?
Letters.
Yeah, capital letters. So, yeah, it should be all of them. Okay, so for the fonts, the first 1, 2, 3, 4 rules are the same of the icons. It should be simple, bold, and closed. So there is no number 4. Okay? So what that mean? That mean fonts are icons? Yes. As she said, you are drawing, not writing in visual harvesting. So the letters are drawing icons Okay? But what the different about it, you can read it. So you are drawing, not writing. So for the fonts, the same thing.
Even in Arabic, I will write
You don't have capital letter in Arabic. Yeah, that's it. So, but it should be simple, it should be closed, and it should be bold. Now, what else you have? You have these three rules for the icons plus number 4, it should be capital. Okay? Number 5, the size. For example, if I am writing the main title, this is the size of my main title, the subtitle, it will be smaller. And the subtitle, it should be smaller. So the main title, it should be all the letters have the same size. And all the subtitles has the main next size, and so on. So you have to build your own size. Okay? And this is also applicable for the Arabic letters. The name in your own style. You see, there is nobody here or his handwriting. Yeah, excellent. You see, here it is like a cube. There is a smoothness in her name, Sania. Yeah, and for example, his font is more formal. Okay, so each one you have a style. I can give you a tips. You can go to the Microsoft Word and take a look about the fonts you have in MS Word. You can see you have many styles. You can cheat from them. You can build your own style. And this style, you have to have a uniform style for all your visual harvesting. That's it. So, while they will finish, I will ask you to draw for me. Okay, I'm talking that I have now very excellent idea. So you want to present the word idea. How can you draw idea? Shadow for the icon. You can remember the cartoons?
Yeah.
Whenever somebody, okay? So you don't know how to I can see creativity. Some people, they draw an idea in another way. Yeah, excellent.
Jumbled idea.
I liked your lamp. Can you write idea next to it, please? Remember the rules. Okay?
Kind of stumbled into
Remember.
really interesting, but I'll admit I have absolutely no idea about how and where teachers generally use visual harvesting in their teaching and learning.
Yeah, this is we will discuss it after the video. Okay? Inshallah. Can I see your idea? Can you show them your idea, please? It is small, but as you see, he drew a face and thinking. So it also can be for an idea. Yeah, excellent. Here another thing, also a lamp. So it is very simple. You can draw a lamp. And this is an idea. Did you finish, Shadia? Okay. Do you have any question? Will you please switch?
Ladies and gentlemen, so in this group, you will be learning how to draw people as individuals and groups, and you will learn how to draw different types of emotions. So we'll start with the people techniques, or how to draw people. We'll start with individuals. We have different types of techniques of how to draw individuals. We have the star, people. We have the shapes. Okay, and the last one, there is another technique, which is the messy lines. Okay, so let's start with the star, people. It's just like a star. Draw the head and start with the hands and then move to the legs and ground him. A standing man. Yeah? Only small touches to make him happy.
Can you show it again, because we were
Yeah? So how is it? By the way, it doesn't need drawing techniques. It doesn't need that you are very good in drawing. It's just like a building your library of icons by practice, and that's it.
Can you please draw it again?
Yes, sure. Sure. A happy man, his hands are up. And then the legs. And just add little touch to show that he is happy. Yeah?
If you would like to use any of these
Any
cards,
question?
you feel
By the way, whenever you struggle with one icon or you want to draw like a shape or something and you struggle, just Google it as a clip art and that's it. You'll find so many. And then do it.
Why the large feet?
Sorry?
Why the large
The ground.
This is the ground. Yeah? You're grounding him to make it like a real. Look at this man. He's just standing, doing nothing, just standing.
you can draw rectangle.
Standing like this.
Yeah, it's a card, right? It can take me home, right?
Is she a woman?
As you see, the icons are
Let's
very simple.
let's change her to a woman. Add the hair thing. That's
Let's
it.
say that I would like to draw a table. Okay?
Easy and simple. And there is no right and wrong, which is very good.
This is a table, right? But the first
Okay.
rule,
A thinking man.
the icon,
Thinking.
it should be bold. So this is not a bold. The bold one, not this is a table. So the first rule, it should be bold. Now, the second rule saying that it should be simple. So if I'm going to draw
Yeah?
a table, I'm not going to draw, okay, I want to make it like some,
Add another effect. Shadow.
and then it will be like that. No, it should be simple. And you remember, as
Okay. Why did I add the shadow here? If the sunlight is here, then the shadow will be the opposite side. Okay? If it's here, then the shadow will be this side. Don't mix the shadow like right and left. It's always the opposite of the sunlight. Okay? Right, let's move to another shape.
third rule,
We've tried the like square one. Let's try the oval. This is a mother walking with her daughter.
it can be a wall, it can be anything else. So I have to go extra things,
This is the head.
right?
Okay? She's a mother.
It is a wall. Okay?
Okay?
Can each one of you please draw in your notebook a flower?
This is the mother and this is her daughter.
Is there a flower?
Holding her mother's hand. Any question? Is it easy or difficult?
Remember the use of the shadow again. Why do we use shadow?
Just to give it a real.
So as you see the flower, to follow the rules, it should be simple. So, and hold, this is the ball. Close, don't make it like this.
We always
Close it.
have
Okay.
to draw the
Grow, yeah. Just like to
part of the
to make it to give it the real thing, because like if they are just floating,
yeah, and you can show it like from distance.
exactly.
It doesn't matter Samsung, BlackBerry,
Okay.
iPhone, yeah, draw mobile. And you remember it should be simple.
Okay, running man.
Drawing for you, 2 years old child.
See, the body is a bit sliding. Okay.
Excellent.
See, you just play with the legs.
So, let's draw the mobile.
Having a hair this time. Or walking. Yeah?
And even I don't have to draw the 9 number. Okay, some of numbers, excellent. And the antenna.
When they are
For
walking,
example,
it's not closed.
now,
And she
this
said that it
is
has to be
simple,
closed,
can be
nothing
used
going
for
out,
what?
right?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you just repeat it, please?
The other
It can be a simple
instructor.
Okay.
to draw a simple that give you the meaning of communication. So you are going
Okay.
to draw what is
Now,
the
let's move to the messy
It
lines.
shouldn't be only mobile. It can be another simple, but you can draw a simple, give
This is a man. Okay? Look at this. The boy has just came from the school and he's happy with his exam. Okay? This is the boy. So he's dancing. Look at the legs. He's dancing. Happy. So happy. And then the father came in. Hi, baby. What's wrong with you? You're happy today. So you can just simply build a story while teaching.
Not exactly ideas, right? Because there is no idea. It is like
Look at this old man.
now she said ideas, and I don't agree with her that the key can be used for the idea. Can you draw for me something short?
This is his stick. He's very old and he's walking with his stick.
When it suddenly have an idea what's happening in the cartoon.
It's all about like building imagination. What do you want to draw? Look at this very fat man. He wants to lose weight. So he's playing with dumbbells. Yeah?
Right? So give me the meaning of idea. Okay. Now I'm talking, you are attending a workshop about talking about how to
Yes?
create
Any question?
how talking about
Group of people sitting in a theater
how it
as
started,
an audience.
what it will be.
This is the theater.
Something gives you a meaning of video.
Group of people or audience. Yeah? Now, let's use the shadow thing. See? The light is from here, so the shadow, I'll just draw the shadow from here to give it a sense of reality.
You are going to see it, right? It's not so clear. It can be blackboard, right?
So try to draw the shadow from one side only, when the light is in the opposite side.
You draw a key.
Yeah?
When we draw, should we use a different pen for shadow?
Sorry?
Just to do the shadow, should we use different color or it is suggested to use the same color?
Very good question. See, I'm drawing the shadow from outside. It's a shadow. If you want to color it, usually in visual harvesting, you try to color. Can you see this?
Shadow, it has only one rule.
Give it a color from one side only to show that it's simple. See, you're drawing very simple drawings. So just color it as simple as as the drawing.
So the shadow, it should be
I'm coloring.
one side. How that, imagine that you have one side.
Different types of audience, yeah? So I'll just give it different colors.
Okay. So all the shadows will be down from
Yeah?
this side. So I can draw it.
Instead of giving like, make it solid color, just give it one line. It's very simple.
From the left and the second one from the right and the right.
Okay, now, group of people just like you sitting around the table having a meeting and discussing a meeting agenda. This is the table.
You have many styles for drawing a shadow. You can make just a line, or you can mini line, or you can
And this is the meeting agenda, see?
or you can,
And then you can play with the shadow and the coloring.
or you can create your own style in the shadow. Okay? Now, the third part is the font. We're talking
Yeah?
about the font. I would like from each one of you to write your name.
Any question?
Big handwriting, so my.
Right, let's move to the
Write your name.
one thing more in groups. Group of people standing close together and the front man is holding the flag.
Page from your notebook.
Very easy. This is the queue of people and this is their flag. Yeah? then you can start coloring. Always ground it.
People are calling a fly.
Different types of emotions. We'll try to draw like 9 types of emotions. You can concentrating on the face only. You can choose any shape that you like. Okay, I'll use the cloud for example. 9 types of emotions, of motions, then I'll draw it in 3 lines, 3 shapes in each line. Okay. We'll play with the mouth and the eyebrow. So we'll fix the eyes and the nose. Eyes and nose are fixed. The same.
So it's talking about the size. For example, in your visual harvesting, you have like main title, you have a subtitle,
Yeah?
and you have
Any question?
explanation. So the
Okay. Now we'll play with the eyebrow. We'll start with the eyebrow. Since the eyebrow is up, we'll draw the different types of eyebrows or shapes up. Whether it's a curve facing up or a curve facing down or only a straight line. Yeah? So I'll just draw this curve or this shape on each and every column. See?
number 6, and can you unsee here she
Yeah?
has there another style. Each one of
Okay.
you have your own style.
Move to the mouth. So the mouth are here, down.
And you can go to the
It might be a curve facing up or down or straight. These are some 9 types of emotions, but you might have more, of course. So we'll just try to draw each shape the same in every row. Like this. And this is the 3rd one. So you end up with 9 types of emotions, different types. Yeah? They're really different. No one is like the other.
The child will understand what I mean, or do I have to agree that with the child?
With the child, you mean with the students?
Yeah.
Can you repeat your question, please?
Will the child know if I draw this and I tell a story, will they know?
And then he might understand it better. So combine all the techniques together.
Children now understand about these emotions. They are using it in Facebook. They are using
And
it
cartoons,
on
exactly, and
Mobile.
BlackBerry and everything.
If they don't draw, they just write numbers like echo.
Exactly, exactly. So they're better than us. These are different types of people, individuals, and emotions as well. So you can have a picture from them, or you can just try to practice them till the other group finishes. These are very good ones, by the way.
excellent.
I find so many.
But what also about this one?
I really like your leadership ones.
Sorry?
I really like your leadership posters.
Yeah.
It is also give you the meaning of sex, right?
If that's okay with you.
Yeah, please take your photo. Feel free, please, to take photos.
I'm talking about your school vision. So, how you are going to draw vision?